Alright, so this is a video on how to clean Audi's fine Nappa leather. I cleaned mine about 6 months ago, but as you can see, it's starting to get shiny again, like the oily residues. I know I've got some marks down there as well from the jeans. That should come out with like a hairdryer or something, but it doesn't really concern me because if I take it out, I'll sit down again, I'll come back. The first step is, got to get rid of all this dirt. You start with a hoover and just go over that and get rid of it. I'll include a montage now of me doing that. Alright, so just finished hoovering. All the main bits have gone that can cause scratches. It's just small bits left. The hoover's not really picking that up, but that won't cause a problem. That'll go when you start using the wipes. So yeah, these are the wipes I've got. I've had these for about 6 months in the boot. They haven't lost any like moisture or anything like that. Even though the seal that comes with it's not really that great. I've tried putting a bit of sellotape, but it's not really helping. So you get a wipe out. You should use about 1 wipe per base, and then you just go and wipe it. And they also give like the new car leather smell. Might not be to everyone's taste. Be generous with it. And make sure you wear gloves because this stuff can it'll make your hands smell for a while. And now you just go over with a microfiber cloth and take it off. And you should see the results pretty quick. Alright, so that's the bottom layer done. You should be able to see a big difference between the bottom layer and the top layer. So this one should give the matte effect that you get from factory. Alright, so onto the back bit. Clean in a circular motion. Take your time and be generous with the wipes. Alright, and that's the finished product. As you can see, all the shiny's gone. If you really want to really go for it again, you can put another layer on and wipe it off. But I think that looks perfect, it looks stunning. It looks new again, the matte effect, and it will have the new leather smell as well in the car. Alright, so get the Dr. Leather wipes and you start in a circular motion. Make sure you get the back. Yeah, look at that difference, big difference. The other side, all shiny. Right, now on to the next side. Alright, so that's all done. Let me know what you guys think. But in person, it looks a lot better. There is still a bit of shine, but I think that's because of the sunlight. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. I'll put a link to Dr. Leather's wipes. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I've got this video and I'll be posting one about how to clean Alcantara. I've just done that on the steering wheel as well. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and all that stuff.